how do you upload your resume onto LinkedIn? So if you are a job seeker, it's a really nifty little tool to have the ability to have your resume on LinkedIn when you are applying for jobs. How do you do it? Go to the Me drop-down menu up here, and we're going to go to Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, on the left-hand side, you will see Data Privacy. So we're going to click on there and then scroll down through this section, and here we have the job seeking preferences. So job application settings, share your profile when you click apply for a job, signal interests, and stored job applicant accounts. So we're going to click on job application settings, and it goes to save uploaded resumes and answers to application questions. Excellent. So to upload your resume, we're going to click on upload resume here, and we'll go and pick our resume. Let's pretend that's it. Click open, and it's uploading the resume onto my account. Share your resume data with all recruiters. We can click on that to turn that on, or you can leave it off if you only want to send it to people when you are applying for the job that you want. It says here uploaded on October the 6th, 2023. So if you want to remove it, you can delete it here or download it to make sure that's got everything that you want on there. Note that it has to be under 5 megabytes and it has to be a document X or PDF file. You can click this on here if you want to be found by people, or I'm going to leave it off for now. So that is how you upload your resume onto LinkedIn, and to remove it, simply going to click on delete here, and it now has been deleted.